Hi friends, let me show you this new silverware set that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a stainless steel set, but it comes in black, so it's really beautiful. Let me show you. Okay, you get small fork, large fork, teaspoon, large spoon, and of course the knife. So you get 5 pieces for each person, and this is a set for 4 persons. Okay, let me show you how beautiful it looks. It's black, it's bright, it's a dishwasher safe. As you can see, it has round finish here in the back, so it makes it really comfortable to use. This has a really sharp end, the knife, so you can cut everything. And I think this is for desserts or well, some snacks and teaspoon. So if you want a new set of silverware for your home, this is a great set to go for. Okay, so let me show you how nice it looks with an actual plate. Okay. You can see, looks nice. It looks really nice with an actual plate set, and they have a really nice bright, even though they are black. So if you want to change your home's silverware, or if you need a new set, this is a stainless steel, really nice one. Thank you.